them today. So I'm starting off, guys, with something really simple. Kind of breakfasty, but also boozy. I hope Sergio of age. Sergio, how old is Sergio now? Sergio's a big man. Sergio's a big man. So Sergio can handle a little booze. I'm making some muffins. I want to thank the folks at Regal Products for making this one possible. So it's healthy but boozy. So we're using some Regal oats, and I want to get a cup of Regal oats in here. Good oats. And to the oats, to get these muffins going, I have a cup of milk, and I'm adding to this milk, most important, some vinegar. So it's really just to curdle the milk. I don't know the exact science behind it. The recipe says so. Couple Joe doing it so. And you add that milk straight in here. Little mix. While that's doing its thing, I'm going to get some dry ingredients going. So I have some flour, basic flour, guys. Baking soda and some sugar. I want to get all my dry ingredients incorporated. Mix, mix, mix. And now it's time to get the wet ingredients. So I have an egg. So my oats now, wet into dry, go straight into my dry ingredients. All right, so we just kind of mix this in. And I'm really anxious to add this guy here. So this is some fruits that's been soaking. So the longer you have fruit soaking, you know, it's the better. This fruits have been soaking for a while. Just some simple reasons that we're going to add to the oat muffin. So you want some liquid in there, but not too much. But you really want all these good prunes. So I want to add probably just about that. And mix it in. Just for some good measure. Have some rum. A little touch. Wouldn't hurt. It's some boozy oat muffins. Once you get that batter looking like that, dropping off the spatula like that, that's what you're looking for. Nice thick batter. And I'm ready. And all I want to do now is to add just about 2/3 of this batter. Final touch is a little Regal granola. So they have an entire range of this new Regal granola. This is a berry medley. So I'm going to put some nice berries on it there. And I just want to touch a little bit on each one. Smells so good. Goodness. This goes in the oven and bakes for no more than just about, I would say, 20-25 minutes. And then we get these babies. These babies, full of booze, some lovely prunes, whether you're soaking your prunes, your raisins, whatever fruits you're soaking. Throw them in some oat muffins and you're good to go. Parang in the house this morning, you know. And I am so happy to have my brother. I don't think he's going by the guitar man anymore. He's now Rico and his son. And the entire band you heard at the top, La Mansion, is in the house. But Rico and Sergio is here and coming to taste these wonderful muffins.
Joe! Merry Christmas! Hey!
Papa Joe, wake up, it's Christmas morning. Hey. I want to see what Joe will let me get. Oh gosh, it's Christmas morning. We and Papa Joe, hey, get up, it's Christmas morning. Time to put some smoke in your kitchen. Oh Lord, it's Christmas morning.
Gentlemen, Have a seat, have a seat, have a seat, have a seat. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
So
Merry
glad to be
Christmas.
here.
Have a seat. Daddy, Daddy, how much you drinking?
What can I do again?
Big man now, big man now. Try the muffins first of all, and then try the muffins and tell me.
Tell you how good you are.
Tell me, tell me, tell me.
See, that's looking really good. Like, I see I have like some little nuts in it.
I like it. Wow.
Healthy but
You know
boozy.
that? I'll tell you.
I think my favorite part is the granola.
The granola on top.
You see that
The
texture?
Regal granola on top.
Well, you know what my favorite part is?
What's your favorite part? The booze.
Give me a man.